Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set what can collaborators do with your document in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app, and here it opens up in the Drive Files menu. From here we just select a document that we want to work with, then tap on the three dots next to it, then tap on Manage Access, and here, if this is set to anyone with the link, we can tap on Change, and then at the bottom we can set what kind of role does people that have access to this document have. So they can either be a viewer, which means that they can't edit the document, a commenter, which means that they can add some observations to the document but don't edit it in a major way, or editor, which means full access. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.